In this video, I will be sharing with you how you can contact Stripe support. So from your home screen, you want to select this little icon that says help, select support center, select view support articles, then you're going to scroll down and select contact support. Select your reason for contacting support, so I'm going to say my payout is missing. You can review the article, and if it solves your problem, then you select the option accordingly. So I'm going to say no. Here, would you rather contact Stripe support or ask about something else? So I'm going to select contact support agent. From the drop down, select a topic. I'm going to select payouts and select submit. So these are the wait times to receive a phone call or email, right? So these are the different wait times. So select the option that best suits you. So I'm going to select receive a call in 3 minutes. And that's basically it. So I'm just going to provide my phone number here and select call me. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.